So I made a video about a week or two ago, just kind of a quick tip video how to use a pre-drill and countersink bit to basically toe screw. And there was a few comments that were basically saying, why not just use a Kreg Jig? And there's definitely a difference. This is really for just quick, using it for framing, things like that. You're really using this on softwoods, like this is Douglas fir, and that's what I was using it on when I made that video. So my Kreg Jig, we'll just take a quick look at it and explain why I didn't use the Kreg Jig. This is my Kreg Jig. It's a pneumatic Kreg Jig. I haven't seen one of these available. I bought this probably close to 25 or 30 years ago. It works off of my air compressor, and you can see that it's set up for 3/4 inch material. So to adjust it to fit a 2x4 in there would just take time. So the tip I was making was all really just about saving time. So to go ahead and use this pre-drill and countersink, generally I'll draw a line. It's a reference line. And the real trick here is starting the drill bit and then changing the angle, because there's also a few comments about people breaking the drill bits. You don't want to go down too far. You're just going to go a little bit. And so the same thing where I'll go ahead and take that measurement, bring it on the other side I already did. And see, I'm just starting slow. This isn't cabinet making. This is just kind of getting something done quick. And this is my impact driver. Okay, so now that is attached to the 2x4. So that was really the whole purpose there. And it was kind of funny to read those comments. So there's always a reason. There, you know, when I read why not just use a Kreg Jig, that's the reason. So on another note, I just wanted to mention, YouTube is funny. You never know what's going to get views. Do you remember this dogwood mallet? This is almost at 1 million views. I made it about 6 months ago. It checked pretty heavily. I mixed up sawdust and West System epoxy, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this and post that video in a few days.